Hello guys, welcome to Vasken Hub again. We are back with another update from this Satoshi app. If you recall, some time ago I did a video on this Cortadio Airdrop, Cortadio. I will leave the link in the description. For those of you who have not seen it, you should go and look at it. It will give you a lot of insight into what I'm about to say. However, today, in addition to the core, that's the CTO, we are having H1, Haven1 project. It has been added to this the Satoshi app, and you can see it there next to the CTO next to it. It just started today, and what is it generally? What's the Haven1 project all about? Haven1 is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain that is designed to address key challenges in decentralized finance, that's DeFi. Haven1 prioritizes security. It prevents on-chain hacks, very important. It prevents on-chain hacks and scams, and even rug pulls by connecting only trusted Web3 users and builders. Imagine a fortress for your digital assets. The other thing they are addressing is mainstream adoption. Haven1 bridges the gap between traditional and decentralized finance. It's user-friendly, it's transparent, and it aims to build trust. So if you're excited about secure DeFi, Haven1 is where you want to be. Yeah, so the project is here. You can scroll down. You know, with what we're seeing from those Telegram apps, you know, if you are really interested in something that is trustworthy, a project that is worth your effort, you know, I think we should look at this Satoshi app, especially these projects that come up here. They are very they are projects that I think will do very well compared to those tap in Telegram. Yes, so you see Cortadio, we were doing Cortadio and it's still on. It's almost halfway. You can still join. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description so for you to join. We're just halfway in Cortadio. Then you can see here now the Haven1 is just started today. So all you need to do is just to come from, okay, this is the home page of the Satoshi app. You just need to click on the next tab here, project. And your project will take you here, and you click on Haven1. Just click on it here, and it will open a page like this. Then at the top right here, you know, my own is showing exit airdrop, but for your own, it's going to be participate in airdrop. So you just click that, and you start getting hourly airdrop. Now, you might not be able to come here if this is your first time. Like I said, it's good to be good if you watch the other video that I made. You know, that one I gave a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Satoshi app and start mining and getting free airdrops. So I would advise that you go and watch that video. So it's just as simple as this. For those that are already doing Cortadio, that have already started using the Satoshi app, it's just as easy as this. Just come from airdrop to project, click on project, and you participate. That's it. And when you do that, you see that you'll now be able to claim your hourly airdrop. Like my own now, if you come here, you'll see that I have 11.5 CTO to claim, and by the side here I have 0.044 H1 to claim. That's for that hour. The previous hour, I have another set to claim. So it will just accumulate for you here. Your own is just to come and click on claims. As easy as that. No tap, no paying anything. It's just as easy as that. So for you to earn much, you see my hash power is 461.95. Are you with me? So yours will not be like this from the beginning. Yours will be something like 100. So for you to increase it, number one, you need to get people to register with you. Then number two, you need to come to your hash card, use your hash card, do your hash card exchange. You see here now, I don't have any hash card because I've used the ones I have. So, and they keep bringing them day after day. So just come and use your hashtags, your hash cards, and do exchanges. You'll see a link, another link for our Telegram group. There you'll be able to meet with other community members and do your exchange of hashtag. Very simple. So that is that. So let's go back to the Haven1 project again. There's something else there. They're also running a testnet, incentivized testnet that you can also be part of. Look at it here. Say Haven1 is offering an exclusive airdrop rewards to the Satoshi App community simply by completing the following steps. So you need to come down. Then if you see the incentivized testnet, we'll go to www.haven1.org, click on register, blah blah blah. That's another way. That's another angle that you can also earn more of this H1 token. Are you with me? So if you want me to do a video on that, show you how to do it, just drop a comment in the description. I will attend to it. I will make one and show us as quickly as possible. Yes, so that is that. I don't want this video to be too long. So if you got value from this video, remember to like this video and don't forget to also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we bring updates like this, and you'll be one of the first to get to see it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.